Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating Gumroad memberships to set up recurring payments for a steady monthly income. If you're ready to monetize your content and build a community of loyal supporters, let's dive in with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Create a Gumroad account. First, visit Gumroad's website and sign up for an account if you don't already have one. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. Once you've confirmed your email, log into your new Gumroad account. Step 2. Set up your profile. After logging in, complete your profile by adding your name, a profile picture, and a brief bio. This helps build trust with your potential subscribers. Make sure to provide relevant links, such as your social media accounts or website, to connect with your audience further. Step 3. Activate memberships. Navigate to the Products tab on your dashboard, and then click on the Add a Product button. Select Membership from the options provided. This is where you'll create your subscription model, allowing customers to access exclusive content regularly. Step 4. Set your membership tiers. You can create different tiers for your membership, each with its own pricing and benefits. For example, you might have a basic tier with access to a monthly newsletter and a premium tier that includes exclusive videos or community chats. Clearly outline the benefits of each tier to entice potential subscribers. Step 5. Configure recurring payments. In the membership settings, you can set the frequency of payments, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Input the amount for each tier and decide whether to offer a free trial period. This flexibility can help attract new subscribers who may want to test your offerings before committing. Step 6. Customize your membership page. Make your membership page visually appealing. Choose an engaging title, upload a cover image, and write a compelling description of what subscribers can expect. Highlight the unique aspects of your content and community to make it irresistible. Step 7. Set up payment methods. Before launching, ensure that you have set up your payment methods. Gumroad supports various payment options, including credit, debit cards, and PayPal. Make sure that your account settings are configured to allow smooth transactions for your subscribers. Step 8. Promote your membership. Once your membership is live, it's time to promote it. Share links on your social media platforms, emails, and any other channels where your audience engages. Create captivating content that showcases the value of your membership to draw in subscribers. Step 9. Engage with your community. After launching, engage with your members regularly. Share exclusive content, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community. The more you interact, the more likely they are to stay subscribed and even recommend your membership to others. Thank you for joining us today as we walk through the steps to activate Gumroad memberships and set up recurring payments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on our latest tips and tricks for building your online business.